Hello YouTube friends. Now in the previous video we have discussed about the image assets and the image from URL. In this video I would like to show you how to display the icons and the buttons. Now first let's move toward the icon. How you can use the icon? Uh, I have removed the code from this section. In child property we first use the icon and icon. Now use the icon properties. There are many properties of icons dot. You can see the properties here. Icon, circle icon, balance, accessible. We will use airport shuttle and color of icon. uh, you can use any color dot red. We will use red. Now size of icon, size will be 50.0. Now now let's open the terminal. Open a simulator. To open the simulator on your device, type this command on a cmd or terminal. And now you can see the output here with this icon. Now we will use the buttons here. First of all, we will use the raise button. Now raise button have some shadow. Raise button and remove this code first. Raise button has a property of onPressed. What we will do in onPressed, uh, we will print something in onPressed. Print in a single quotation, click. Okay. Now use the child property. Now child property we use whenever we use the property inside in other widget. Now in the child we will use the text which will be displayed on the button. Text, what will be the text here? Click, sorry, in the single quotation, click me. uh, Now in the child we will also use the color. What will the colors will be the we can use the red. Now what is the mistake here? On pressed. Now let's run the app. Now you can see the button with some shadow, and when I click here, the click is also printed. Click on button. You will see how it works. Performing the hot reload, just click on the button. You can see click on button R. Now you can also use the flat button. Okay. You can use flat button instead of raised button. Perform the hot reload. Uh, some type of error. Flat or sorry. Now run the app and see uh, the flat button is appeared. Now in the let's move forward and we will use both icon and button together. Now I would like to show you how to add icon inside the button. So first of all, get rid of this code we have used previously. Uh, Now also we will use here the raise button. Okay. Now inside the raise button, first specify the onPressed. Mm, we're not going to do anything with this button. So uh, in icon, sorry, we are going to use the button icon dot icon because we will use the icon inside the button. Now what type of icon will be icon? Icon. Now in icon widget, let's specify the properties. Icon, what type of icon we will use the dot mail icon we will use here. Why is going giving me the error? Sorry, we will use here the icons dot mail. Now we will also use the label which will display the text next to the our icon. Label, what type of label? uh, Text, what will be the text here? uh, let's mail mail me. Okay, now we will also use the text color colors dot black. Okay, now we should run the app and check whether it's working or not. It is giving the error. So here is we are missing something. Now it's clear. Let's see. Now you can see the button with an icon. We use the black color, so it is not visible to us. uh, let's use the red and perform it again. Now you can use the red button and black icon on it. I hope you are enjoying my lecture and tutorials. Do subscribe and we stay tuned. We will see in the next video. Thank you very much.